Y'all, if I could just record one video, just one video, without the children screaming, the dogs barking, the construction work, the 18-wheeler, the plane flying over, you would swear that I live like in downtown USA, which I don't. Hi, I'm Healy. Welcome back to my channel, where we judge products, not people. Join the Natural Haircare Jury, and remember to read the description box for occasional surprises and additional insight into each video. Today's video is going to be a hodgepodge of things. I have a few empties. I have honorable mention DIY, and I have something that I found, which I might be using in an upcoming video. For my hair, this is actually the Eden Body Works refreshed with some plain water for my edges here and just kind of over the top for flyaways. I actually use the Mono's hair curl setting gel. Y'all know I'm waiting for the flakes, right? This might be like 5 or 6 day old hair, and I'm telling y'all, I promise you it looked better than what it did the first day I did it. This was a tweed out where I plaited the top and twisted the bottom. And if you remember from that video, the bottom of my hair was very like flat and plain. But after I sprayed some water on it, that's all I did. I just sprayed water and I just kind of, fluffed through it, kind of pulled it and I don't know, just like fluff, just like what I'm doing right now. That's what I did after I sprayed it with some water. And then I put a little gel right here, just one swoop. This is how I wear my edges and stuff when I'm not recording. I only do that swoop, swoop, swoop just for YouTube, y'all. I don't normally wear my edges like that. For the empties, I try to put them in like wash day order, but they probably not gonna end up like that. This first product, I use it as a cleanser for my hair and for my body. It is the Aztec Calcium Bentonite Healing Clay. It took me a while to use this. It is 16 ounces, 1 pound of clay. And because when I do my bentonite clays, I usually mix other ingredients with it, I don't have to use so much. I do like bentonite clay. I actually purchased this in bulk normally, but I think I got this jar probably on sale, and that's why I bought this. And normally what I do is I take the clay out of my bulk container and I put it in this container. This is easier to store with the rest of my DIY products. The next product that I have is a rinse out conditioner. This is the Camille Rose Naturals Moroccan Pear rinse out conditioner. I really like this conditioner. I would repurchase. Matter of fact, I already have another one. From Camille Rose, I also have the Algae Renew Deep Conditioner. I really like this product and I definitely would repurchase it. Even though this is empty, you can still smell like the cocoa, like the mint cocoa smell. I like it. A conditioner that I bought that I would not repurchase is the Mono's Hair Curl Restoring Treatment. Y'all, I didn't like it. I didn't like it at all. Yeah, it has like that like super perfumey smell. I didn't like the consistency. I didn't like the way it applied to my hair. I didn't like the results once I rinsed it out. I did a couple videos on the Mono's Hair collection. I bought all 8 products. I think the only product that I would 100% repurchase is that clarifying like scalp treatment. Now, yeah, I definitely would repurchase that. The next product I have, this is a oldie but goodie for me. It's the Aussie Moist 3-Minute Miracle Deep Conditioners. This one is the strong. I also have the moist, which I think is like the blue label. And I tried a couple of other ones, but my favorites are the moist and this strong one. I like this container because you can have it upside down in the shower. See that? And then, you know, you just squeeze it out, you know, in your hand. And they also have like these ridges on the bottle, so you don't have to worry about the container slipping out of your hand. And I actually save these, and I'll put like body wash or other shampoos or conditioners or whatever in this container because I really like this for my shower. So I'm not going to throw this container away. I'm actually going to keep this one, but this is empty. The next product I have is from Product Junkie Naturals, and this is the Manuka Honey Flaxseed Gel. This is the original or older containers. This gel was a bit liquidy. I think the formula now is a little bit thicker. I did like this gel. It was okay. It served the purpose, but in the original formula, I probably would not repurchase. After I go through all of the Product Junkie Naturals products that I have, which are, you know, have this original labeling, I'm going to go back to the website and see what they have, because my understanding is that there are some fabulous products. Y'all, why was I talking with the bottle, holding it up, and I stopped talking about the particular product? The next product that I have is an ingredient, and it is the Now Solutions brand avocado oil, 100% pure moisturizing oil. I use these oils to make my own DIY oils and DIY formulas, so I don't have a lot of brand products, store-bought oils. I do have some in a couple of lines that I'm going to be using in upcoming videos, but normally if a line includes an oil, I don't buy it because I make my own. But I do like avocado oil. I like how it feels. It's not too thin, but it's not too thick. I use it on my skin and my hair, and it is definitely a repurchase. The next product that I have is the Main Choice Laid Back Effortlessly Growth Stimulating Edge Control. And I use this. It took me like forever to go through this jar. This is a 2-ounce jar. This stuff is very thick. It is empty. Like I use every drop. It is very thick, but it definitely it lays down the edges effortlessly. Well, I had to put in some effort because, you know, it's kind of thick. But once you mold and shape your edges to how you want them to be, for me, this is enough to hold my edges all day and into the night. And when I wake up the next morning, whether or not I tie my hair down or not, you can still see remnants of my swoops. So I have another one of these already. I'm going to use that one, and then I'll decide whether or not if I'm going to repurchase. The next two products that I have are body products. The first product that I have is a lotion, and this is the Carol's Daughter Almond Cookie Frappe Body Lotion. Y'all, I really like this. I like this, and I almost had to fight somebody because this was my lotion. You know how you my lotion and your lotion? Well, this was my lotion, and I was getting to the end, and this smells so good. It does remind me of almond cookies, like from the Chinese restaurant. I don't know if you can see this, but they have like a little bit at the bottom, and you best believe I'm going to get something down there. I got like them long handle ice cream spoons. I'm going to get down up in there, and I'm going to get this. The next body product I have, I will not repurchase. And this is the Alafia Body Lotion Shea Butter and Lemongrass Lavender. Deep moisture, normal to very dry skin. This is 32 ounces. Now the consistency of this lotion is a lot thicker than this lotion, but it's not Eucerin thick. But it says that it's deep moisture, normal to very dry skin, and that's definitely when I would use it. In the colder months, the drier months, or if you normally have dry skin, then I recommend this brand. The only reason I would not repurchase this one is because of the smell. It has an extremely heavy lavender scent, and it's, let me see, I think I might have enough to, okay. Here's the consistency. It's not, you know, Eucerin thick. It's thicker than the Carol's Daughter lotion, but Y'all, the smell, and it's just, it is so overpowering. And I just put this over the Carol's Daughter lotion that I have on my hand. The smell lingers, and it is just so strong. If you really like lavender, then you'll like the scent of this lotion. But I can't take it. It's too much for me. But the lotion itself, it is very moisturizing. And I have other scents from this brand, but I just wouldn't repurchase the lavender scent. It's just too strong for me. The next thing that I wanted to show you is not an empty, but it is a product that I'm trying to get more consistent when using on a regular basis. And this is the Irwin Naturals Only One Liquid Gel Multi with Iron. This is the 60-day count, so it's 1 capsule a day. It's a multivitamin. It already has the iron in it. It is a fairly large pill, like, I'm not gonna lie, but I'm used to taking them. It's 1 a day. I get my, 100% or more of almost all of my vitamins and minerals, and I'm good to go. The next thing that I wanted to show you is just something that I made off the cuff for myself. It's not in any kind of glamorous recipe or form or nothing, but I just wanted to show you what I use sometimes when I am not recording YouTube videos. This is one of my DIY African black soap rinses. I use this for my hair and for my body. You can see it is very liquidy. It is very watery and liquidy. What I have in here is African black soap, water, a little bit of apple cider vinegar, 2 or 3 different oils, a little bit of vegetable glycerin, and some tea tree essential oil. I put it in this nozzle because it's easy for me to just, put in my hair when I'm shampooing. And then the last thing that I wanted to show you, I found this in my garage. Y'all, my garage, I have so many more hair products, so many more like DIY and Ayurvedic and botanical ingredients, because they cannot all fit in my bedroom or my bathroom or my shower or my closet. I have to move stuff to the garage, which thank goodness is pretty cool. It's cool and dry in there, so I don't have to worry about, anything spoiling or going bad. But look what I found. I'm so glad that I found these. So I don't have a lot of them. I have this size, this size, this size, and this size. I don't usually have too much good luck with perm rods, but I also found some more clips, so I have those. Yeah, and the rest I just have some more of these. So I found my perm rods that I knew I had somewhere, and I figured they was in the garage, but y'all, to go find them, but I did. I found them, y'all. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all I have for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I appreciate your patience as I work through my new schedule so I have time to do my coursework